two people, same exact street, same exact school, get into their career. One becomes wildly successful. The other one totally struggles. Why? It's because the meaning we attach to what happens. You probably heard this story before, like the man who's an alcoholic who has two children. And later on in life, in their 30s, when you ask them both, do you drink? One says, I drink every day. I'm an alcoholic. Why? Because my dad's an alcoholic. The other one says, I don't drink at all. Why? Because my dad's an alcoholic. It's the world famous tale of the two, right? It's why we struggle when we look at, say, two people, same exact street, same exact school, get into their career. One becomes wildly successful. The other one totally struggles. Why? It's because the meaning we attach to what happens, right? Like, I just hung up with a woman who literally said to me, cancer was a gift for me, right? It got me to stop and realize I was doing terrible things to my body. And I know as you hear that, you probably freak out, but imagine the same person saying, cancer is the end of my life, versus cancer was a gift. It got me to make all the changes. Things happen every day in life, right? Every single day. And the question is, what is the meaning and the story you attach to it? The thing that I know is the people that are the most determined, have the most certainty, have the most positivity, are moving forward powerfully. We all deal with crisis and upset and challenges. The difference is the meaning we associate to it and the story we tell ourselves. Is it the end or is it the beginning? It's your life, it's your story, you decide.